Hi friends, I hope you and everyone around you are safe and in good health. Today in this video I'm going to share unbiased MECHECKS reviews and will let you know is MECHECKS legit or a scam website. But before starting guys, let me tell you that it is not a sponsored video, neither this website is owned by me. So through this video you will get to know whether you should buy products from this website or not. So without wasting much time, let's get started. This is the homepage of the website, and over this website you can see that MECHECKS offers variety of women wear dresses such as salwar suit, anarkali gown and combo of designer dresses. And guys, here we can see that the prices of these dresses are too good to believe. Before proceeding further, friends, I would request you all to like, share and subscribe my channel because it will help you guys to get the notification each time when I upload some informative videos on my channel. Now let's proceed to know information related to payments. So here we can see that the available payment options are Visa, MasterCard, Maestro, Discover, RuPay, Net Banking and cash on delivery. And guys, we all know COD is the safest option. Now let's check the shipping policy. So here we can see that orders will be processed and shipped within 1 to 2 business days of ordering. And guys, we can see that shipping charges are not specified here. Now let's have a look on return refund policies. So here we can see that their return policy lasts for 15 days. And guys, if we read the whole sentence, so see, they have written 15 days return and replacement policy on all girlzik.com. So here we can spot that the content over the website is duplicate as it is copied from other websites. So it is a negative sign. And apart from this guys, talking about the cancellation policy, so here we can see that no information is disclosed by the officials on the website regarding the order cancellation. Therefore, you can only return the products bought from this website. Now, let's talk on those important points which will help us in checking the authenticity of this website. So guys, MECHECKS uses HTTPS connection, therefore the information you send or get through the website is safe, which is quite a positive sign. But it alone is not sufficient to determine the authenticity of the website. Therefore, let's check the details related to registration. So the domain name was registered on 15th June 2021. So we can see that the domain of MECHECKS was registered just couple of days back, and because of this reason traffic on the website is low as it is not much popular among the people. Now let's proceed to check the way to contact them. So here on the official page we can see that only an email ID is provided, which is info@girlzik.com. Guys, here we can see that an email ID does not matches with the domain name, and apart from this the physical address and the contact number is not provided. So guys, it is a negative sign. Also, MECHECKS lacks presence on social media platforms, which again is a negative highlight. And talking about the MECHECK reviews, so here on the official website you will see that there is no section for customers feedback. And as I stated, it was registered just few days back, so no customer reviews are available over the reliable sites on the internet regarding the quality of the items offered here. Also, the trust index of the website is too low, and guys, according to Alexa traffic rank, this website is ranked 0 among many other million websites. So again, it is a negative highlight. So guys, loopholes such as copied content, duplicate images of the products, incomplete contact details, lack of customer remarks, low score on Trustpilot makes us to doubt the authenticity of this website. So I would recommend all the viewers not to shop from this website or wait for a while till it gains popularity, as there are high chances of receiving low quality goods or nothing at all. So guys, I would like to end the video by saying that do not share your personal details on MECHECKS.com as it appears to be a scam website. So guys, that was all about the authenticity of ME checks. And friends, if you have ever ordered anything from this website, do share your feedback in the comment section below so that other viewers get to know all the information related to this website. Also, do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to protect yourself from omnipresent scamsters. Bye bye guys, stay safe, stay informed.